Looking for a better alternative to Xender? While Xender has been a popular choice for transferring data, many users face performance issues, privacy concerns, and a lack of advanced features. In this video, we'll explore 8 top Xender alternatives, offering faster transfers, improved security. Top 1. Best Xender alternative transfer for mobile. Are you struggling to find the appropriate and trusted data transfer tool? Do you want to achieve a low error rate and efficient lossless file migration? So, which app is best instead of Xender? Let's get to know WeTransfer for mobile. Step 1. Download and installation to start. Launch the transfer for mobile software on your computer after ensuring it has been downloaded and installed. The program's main interface will resemble the image provided. Step 2. Device recognition using USB cables. Establish a connection between your computer and the 2 devices. Then allow the tool to identify both devices by adhering to the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Data transmission. Once the virtual connection is created, select the specific types of data you want to transfer and click the Start Copy button. This will promptly initiate the data transfer from the sender to the receiver. Top 2. Files by Google. Files by Google is one of the robust apps similar to Xender, offering wireless file transfers and effective file management. Launched in 2017 as Files Go, it also functions as a digital cleanup tool to enhance device speed by removing unwanted junk and clutter. Top 3. Send Anywhere. Developed by Estmob Inc., Send Anywhere is one of the most advanced Xender-similar apps. Using 256-bit encryption for robust data security, supports cross-platform, peer-to-peer sharing without cloud storage, and is popular on Linux, iPad, and Android devices. Top 4. Zapya. Zapya is a great file-sharing alternative app for Xender, providing an uninterrupted experience. It's cross-platform, available on iOS, Windows, and Mac. Top 5. SHAREit. SHAREit is a versatile inter-phone transmission tool with no network traffic. What is faster than Xender? It operates without the internet and transfers files 60x faster than Bluetooth. Top 6. Feem. Feem is a fast alternative to SHAREit that lets you effortlessly send and receive files. It works across different platforms like iOS, Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux, and even allows access to shared files via web browsers on any device. Top 7. WeTransfer. WeTransfer is a cloud-based file transfer software that allows users to send files up to 2 GB for free. This alternative of Xender supports simple sharing of documents, presentations, designs, videos, and more via email or link. Top 8. SHAREit. SHAREit from Xiaomi is a leading Android file transfer app using Wi-Fi for fast transfers. It supports resuming interrupted transfers, sending large files, and transferring entire albums.